For centuries, humanity has dreamt of a life free from the ravages of age. Once confined to myth, the quest for longevity is now at the forefront of scientific exploration. We're not just talking about living longer, but living healthier, more vibrant lives well into our later years. Modern science is beginning to unravel the fundamental processes of aging, moving us beyond simple symptom management towards active intervention and even, perhaps, reversal. The journey into our cells reveals a complex dance of decline, but also incredible potential for repair and rejuvenation. At its core, aging is a cellular process. Our bodies are made of trillions of cells, constantly dividing, repairing, and renewing. But over time, these processes become less efficient. Scientists have identified several hallmarks of aging, key cellular and molecular changes that drive the aging process. These include DNA damage, mitochondrial dysfunction, and the accumulation of senescent cells. Understanding these hallmarks is the first step towards developing strategies to combat them. Think of it like a car engine, wear and tear accumulate, but if we understand the specific failing parts, we can fix or even upgrade them. One of the most fascinating hallmarks involves structures called telomeres. Imagine the plastic tips on shoelaces. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, which house our DNA. Every time a cell divides, a small piece of the telomere is lost. Eventually, they become too short to protect the DNA, signaling the cell to stop dividing or even self-destruct. This shortening is a fundamental aging clock within our cells. While essential for preventing genetic instability, this countdown also limits cellular replication and tissue repair, contributing to many age-related declines. But what if we could rewind that clock? Enter telomerase, an enzyme capable of rebuilding telomeres. In most adult human cells, telomerase is inactive, which is why telomeres shorten. However, some cells, like stem cells and cancer cells, keep telomerase active, allowing them to divide almost indefinitely. Scientists are now exploring ways to safely activate telomerase in specific tissues, potentially extending the lifespan and health span of cells. Early research in animal models has shown promising results, with improvements in various age-related conditions, igniting hope for similar therapies in humans. Another major player in aging is the senescent cell. These are often called zombie cells because they stop dividing but don't die. Instead, they linger, secreting harmful inflammatory molecules that damage surrounding healthy tissues. Accumulating with age, senescent cells contribute to chronic inflammation, organ dysfunction, and a host of age-related diseases from arthritis to heart disease. Picture a few bad apples spoiling the whole barrel. These senescent cells are the bad apples, disrupting the delicate balance of our cellular environment and accelerating the aging process throughout the body. The good news is, scientists are developing a new class of drugs called senolytics. These compounds selectively target and eliminate senescent cells, leaving healthy cells untouched. In preclinical studies, senolytics have shown remarkable effects, reducing age-related diseases and extending healthy lifespans in mice. Imagine being able to actively clean out these harmful cells, allowing tissues to regenerate and function more efficiently. This approach represents a paradigm shift, moving from treating individual age-related diseases to tackling the underlying cause of aging itself by restoring cellular harmony. Beyond telomeres and senolytics, the field of cellular rejuvenation is booming. Researchers are exploring gene editing technologies like CRISPR to correct age-related mutations, and even reprogramming cells back to a younger, more plastic state. Think of induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, which are adult cells that have been genetically reprogrammed to an embryonic stem cell-like state. While still in early stages, these technologies hint at a future where aging isn't just slowed, but actively reversed. This could mean restoring organ function, healing injuries, and maintaining peak performance for much longer periods. While groundbreaking scientific interventions are on the horizon, we don't have to wait to impact our longevity. Many daily habits form a powerful foundation for healthy aging. The choices we make regarding nutrition, physical activity, sleep, and stress management profoundly affect our cellular health right now. These lifestyle factors directly influence everything from DNA repair mechanisms to inflammation levels, acting as powerful tools in our anti-aging arsenal. They are accessible, affordable, and, most importantly, within your control to implement starting today. Consider the impact of diet. A whole food, plant-rich diet, often associated with blue zones, regions of the world where people live exceptionally long, healthy lives, provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that protect cells from damage. Regular exercise, from brisk walking to strength training, not only strengthens muscles and bones but also improves cardiovascular health and even boosts cellular repair processes. These habits aren't just about looking good, they are about nourishing our cellular machinery, optimizing its function, and literally slowing down the internal clock. It's about empowering your body to heal and thrive. But longevity isn't purely biological. Mental well-being, social connection, and a sense of purpose also play critical roles. Chronic stress accelerates cellular aging, while strong social ties and active engagement are linked to longer, healthier lives. Engaging with community, learning new skills, and maintaining a positive outlook can have profound effects on our physiological resilience. Our minds and bodies are deeply interconnected, forming a holistic system. Nurturing both physical and mental health creates a powerful synergy that optimizes our capacity for a truly extended and fulfilling existence. From the intricate dance of telomeres to the targeted elimination of senescent cells, the science of longevity is evolving at an incredible pace. We are entering an era where extending our healthy lifespan is not just a pipe dream, but a tangible goal supported by rigorous research. This journey is about empowering ourselves, both through understanding cutting-edge science and by embracing the daily habits that foster cellular resilience. The future promises a blend of revolutionary therapies and timeless wisdom, allowing us all to not just add years to our lives, but more life to our years. Embrace the journey.